Hello, my name is Kelly and I'm here to give a review of the GenStone Faux panels. We did a lot of research and GenStone by far outranked every other brand we had looked at. Each panel is numbered so that you don't duplicate and put two side by side. The ledger piece sits nicely right on top for a nice beautiful look. We used 3 tools, our drill, a circular saw, and a plunge cutter to do the entire job. It took 1 day. We did 2 panels high with a ledger on top. We picked this iron ore color because our house is white. Gave a nice good pop of color, completely changed the look of our house. And come around to the front, we actually did a little bit deeper to cover up the foundation, give an extra layer of protection from the weather. And my favorite part, the matching chimney. Beautiful. We absolutely loved it. Super easy, great company, friendly to work with. We're actually going to be ordering more.